Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a new chat on Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. If the mobile app of the Qwenlm AI is available in your region, you can even access its app. For now, I'll just navigate to the Qwenlm website. Go to chat.qwenlm.ai link. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Here you can see the login option at the top right corner. Tap on it and now log into your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one by tapping on this sign up option. For now, I just logged into my account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now you can ask any questions to this AI. Here I've already started a conversation with this AI. I've just asked a random question. Now if you want to head over to the new chat, at the top left corner you can see two icons. Tap on the second icon which has the pencil, and here you can see the new chat option. It will take you to the new chat. So that's how you can easily start a new chat on Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.